Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. Under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Indian Space Research Organization launched a new virtual space museum that named Spark. It is a digital platform enabling people to interact with mission related to ISRO. Union Cabinet has approved extension of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana urban housing for all mission up to 31st December 2024. Recently, China has reported 35 cases of a novel Langya Hanipa virus. It is the part of genus Hanipa virus. It is a zoonotic virus that is first detected in 2018, with shrew as its most likely natural host. It is also detected among domestic goats and dogs. Fever, fatigue, cough, loss of appetite with health impacts such as renal and liver failure are the symptoms of this Hanipa virus. President Draupadi Murmu has appointed Justice Uday Umesh Lalit as the 49th Chief Justice of India. He will take over the charge on 27th August, whereas the present CJI Justice N.V. Ramanna will retire on 26th August. Let's understand the constitutional provision for appointment of judges. According to Article 124, the judges of Supreme Court is appointed by the President. The Chief Justice is appointed by the President after consultation with such judges of the Supreme Court and High Court as he deemed necessary. The other judges are appointed by the President after consultation of Chief Justice and such other judges of Supreme Court and High Court as he deemed necessary. The consultation with Chief Justice of India is obligatory in case of appointment of judges and other than Chief Justice of India. The Chief Justice of India would recommend the senior most judges of Supreme Court to be the next CJI. Let's understand the Collegium System. The Collegium System is a system under which appointment, elevation of judges, transfer of judges, or so are decided by a forum of Chief Justice of India and 4 senior most judges. We should remember that Collegium System is not mentioned in original constitution nor in successive amendments. The Collegium comprises the Chief Justice of India along with 4 other senior judges. This system has been in trend since the verdict of second judges cases 1993. On Labour Apex Court held that Chief Justice of India has to consult with 2 of his senior most colleagues, but it became more effective after third judges cases, that was in 1998, in which it was laid down by the Supreme Court that the Collegium shall comprises Chief Justice of India and 4 senior most judges. Corbevax will be available as COVID booster dose at vaccination centers. The vaccine is developed by the Biological E. US tech giant Microsoft has become the first big tech company to join the Open Network for Digital Commerce. ONDC is a Government of India-backed project which is aimed at enabling small merchant and mom-and-pop stores in part of the country to access processes and technologies that are typically developed by large e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Walmart own Flipkart. Whereas mom-and-pop stores, that is a term used to describe small, family-owned or independent businesses. ONDC is to be based on open source methodology using open specification and open network protocol independent of any specific platform. 12th August is observed as World Elephant Day. It is observed every year with the goal of recognizing their importance in our ecosystem. This day emphasizes on raising awareness of the danger that elephants encounter in their lives. Man-animal conflicts, poaching, destruction of elephant corridor and mistreatment in captivity are some of the common threats that these animals usually came across. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launches second generation ethanol plant in Panipat, Haryana on the occasion of World Biofuel Day. The plant has been built at an estimated cost of over 900 crore rupees by the Indian Oil Corporation Limited. The project will turn a new chapter in India's waste to wealth endeavor by utilizing about 2 lakh tons of rice straw, that is also known as parali, annual to generate around 3 crore liters of ethanol per annum. The project will also contribute to reduction of greenhouse gases equivalent to about 3 lakh tons of carbon dioxide equivalent emission per annum. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button and definitely comment your valuable feedback. Also press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.